What's going on, guys? Turner with SSO. Behind me here is a brand spanking new off the lot 2022 SR5 4Runner. Customer called us in and was like, hey, want one of your bumpers? What do you got? Well, luckily for him, we have the Versas in stock all the time. So that is our pre-made bumper that has basically every single, the most common customizable option off the Slimlines. We just went ahead and made a ready to go bumper for you guys. So that comes with a bull bar, 20-inch universal cutout, light bar cutout. So you can run double row or single row light bars, and also winch openings. So he came in, wanted to get all that, and went ahead and got the little access port covers, 3D printed covers right here. Super nice, high quality. We 3D print them right here at the shop. Has a Smittybilt 10K winch behind there, really good quality winch, paired with the Agency 6, I believe, front little winch, whatever you call this thing, fairly, yeah, winch shackle, whatever, and then the Rhino shackles on the side. Other than that, I mean, it's a pretty good build. I like it. Off the lot, this thing still looks fresh. So if you are scared about getting a brand new 4Runner and want to cut into it right away, here's a perfect example. It looks like it just came off the lot. Literally, it just did, like 5 hours ago. So if you want to get something done, give us a call. Southern Style Off-Road, Google, Facebook, Instagram. Hit me up. My name's Turner. Thank you.